I'm starting out by applying this peachy brown in the crease, using circular motions, blending it up towards the brow bone to have a smooth gradient. Next, with this brown, I'm applying it to the outer corner in a V shape and adding it to the lower lash line, blending it outwards. Next, with this deep brown, I'm deepening the crease and the outer corner, blending into the previous shades. Next, with concealer, I'm mapping out a cut crease by drawing on some dots above the natural crease line, and then I'm connecting them and then dragging the concealer down to create a base for our next shades. Feathering it out in the outer corner. Next, with this nude shade, I'm applying it to the inner corner, lid, and brow bone. With the shimmer color, I'm applying it to the outer third. With this golden shade, I'm applying it to the lower portion of the front of my lid, leaving the upper portion blank. Next, I'm drawing on a wing with this brown eyeliner, dragging it in towards the middle and then connecting it in the front, filling in the shape, and then adding an inner corner wing, mascara, and lashes, and that completes the look. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!